Blood pressure is one of the most important indicators of your overall health, yet it's something many people don't fully understand. Simply put, blood pressure is the force exerted by circulating blood against the walls of the body's arteries, the major blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. This force is essential. It allows blood to flow throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to organs and tissues and removing waste products. Blood pressure is measured using two numbers, presented as one over the other, like 120/80. The first number, called systolic pressure, measures the force of blood against artery walls when the heart beats, pumping blood out into the arteries. The second number, diastolic pressure, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. Both are measured in millimeters of mercury, abbreviated as mmHg. But what do these numbers actually mean? A normal blood pressure reading is generally considered to be around 120/80 mmHg. If your readings are consistently higher or lower than this, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. High blood pressure, or hypertension, means that the force of the blood against your artery walls is too high, which can lead to serious health problems over time, such as heart disease, stroke, or kidney damage. On the other hand, low blood pressure or hypotension can cause dizziness, fainting, and in severe cases, can be life-threatening. So what causes blood pressure to rise or fall? There are many factors that can influence your blood pressure both in the short and long term. Physical activity, stress, emotions, and even the time of day can cause temporary fluctuations. Over the long run, factors like age, genetics, diet, weight, and lifestyle habits play a significant role. For example, eating foods high in salt, being overweight, smoking, drinking too much alcohol, or living a sedentary lifestyle can all contribute to higher blood pressure. Monitoring your blood pressure is important, especially because high blood pressure often doesn't cause noticeable symptoms. That's why it's sometimes called the silent killer. You might feel perfectly healthy, but if your blood pressure is too high, damage can be occurring inside your body without you even realizing it. Regular checkups are the best way to keep track of your blood pressure and catch any problems early. If your doctor tells you that your blood pressure is outside the normal range, don't panic. There are many ways to manage and control blood pressure. Lifestyle changes are often the first step. Eating a balanced diet that's low in salt and rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a big difference. Regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol, and avoiding tobacco are all proven ways to help keep your blood pressure in check. Sometimes lifestyle changes aren't enough, and medication may be necessary. There are several types of blood pressure medications, and your doctor will work with you to find the one that's right for you. The key is to stay informed, follow your healthcare provider's advice, and make choices that support your overall health. Understanding your blood pressure and what affects it puts you in control of your health. By making smart choices and staying aware of your numbers, you can protect your heart, your brain, and your entire body for years to come. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your blood pressure, a little awareness can make a big difference.